Is that unexpected LaunchPass charge got you down? No worries, I'm here to show you how to quickly and easily cancel your subscription and stop those future payments. First, head over to the LaunchPass website and log into your account using your email and password. You should land on your main dashboard. Now look for your profile icon or settings menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click on the option that says something like subscription, billing, or membership. This will take you to your subscription management page. On this page, you should see details about your current subscription plan. Look for a clearly labeled button that says cancel subscription or cancel membership. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up might appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Carefully read the message to understand any consequences of canceling, such as losing access to features. If you're sure, click the confirm or yes button. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. It's always a good idea to take a screenshot of this confirmation for your records. Finally, double-check your email for a cancellation confirmation email from LaunchPass. You may want to set a reminder in your calendar a few days before your next billing cycle to ensure the cancellation has gone through. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your LaunchPass subscription.